saka itong sa yung kay Kian, that was in 2017. Kinupkup niya yung mga bata na possible witnesses. In fact, we wanted to bring her to justice. Nag-file kami ng kaso. Attorney Malyari, Attorney Ifurong, and myself, we filed a case against her for kidnapping of minor sa ombudsman. Pero we felt that there was an injustice dahil after we have filed the case, wala na, parang bula na lang. Tapos itong 2 weeks ago, pumunta ako doon, na-dismiss na pala. Hindi ko natanggap yung papeles. Wala akong kopya nung kanyang supposed to be answer sa complaint, counter affidavit. And walang So, we are now reiterating our complaint for kidnapping of minor and other obstruction of justice, so that the Senate Ethics Committee can provide an investigation to the veracity of all these allegations.
Sir, isa na lang po.